Hello, friend. This is Erwin, and I am here to give you a demo of our motor mechanic workshop management software. I am not sure if you are already using a workshop management software or still looking for some. If you are still looking for some, you have come to the right place. We manage your motor mechanics workshop effectively and efficiently with our specialized software designed to make the process simple. Streamline operations, optimize resources, and enjoy maximum performance from your workshop. With our intuitive management software, you will stay in complete control of everything from bookings to invoicing. See just how simple it can be with our powerful platform. Our system requires no complex setup. Get up and running quickly with the pre-configured defaults. Simply personalize it by entering your company's invoice heading or logo and you're ready to go. Quickly and easily keep your business finances in order with our advanced invoicing features. Easily manage accounts receivable, service histories, and make timely updates to the accounting records as required. All at just a click of a button. Keep your service history at the ready with the search capabilities by registration number, customer, and many other valuable criteria. Instantly access detailed records for complete control of maintenance needs all in one place. Keep customer coming back for more with automated SMS and email service reminders. Our booking system facilitates effortless administration and organization, enabling users to save time when managing their bookings, quickly view upcoming schedules on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, then simply drag and drop reservations for convenient rebooking. Generating codes, jobs, and invoices from your bookings is just one click away. That's right, no need for tedious data entry. Faster and more accurate job invoicing has never been easier. With our unique job cards, work orders, mechanic time tracking features, and efficiency reporting capabilities, you can save time without sacrificing accuracy. Simply click to turn your jobs into invoices. Our coding system allows for seamless transition from code to invoice. No extra time is spent re entering data. With one click, you can have an accurate and up to date record of all invoices. Reusing spare parts and labor is a great way to save cost. The stock data is updated in real time, enabling users to make informed decisions about their inventory. Plus, reports like reorder analysis, stock label summaries, and comprehensive stock text will help you stay on top of your business operation. As a business owner, keeping your accounting and GST in order is essential for financial success. We make this process hassle free with no extra setup required. You can get started right away. You also have the flexibility to customize your chart of accounts so that it suits your individual needs perfectly. Loading your toolkit just got easier. Mechanic Manager connects all of the essential systems you need to operate, and it's all secured in one place, safely stored away in the cloud. No more tedious data management, lost information, or interruption that could disrupt your workflow. And friend, here you can see you can integrate with several software, whether it is Rapco, Zero, MyOb, Google, or Yahoo. You can easily integrate with all of this software. Hope you like this demo of our mechanic workshop management software.